Today we're checking out the Ram Clutches Concept 10.5 300 Series 900 horsepower organic dual disc clutch kit with a 26 spline input for the 2008 to 2010 V8 Hemi Challenger and the 11.5 to 23 V8 Hemi Challenger as well. If you want a dual disc clutch that can hold big power but still feels good enough to drive every single day out on the street, this is exactly the kind of setup that people step into, so it's definitely worth checking out. One of the top features of this kit is going to be the balance between drivability and that holding power. This is going to be a great option when you need high quality drivability and maximum holding power at the same time. And that's a huge reason people like to choose this over a more aggressive race style clutch. It uses a larger 10.5-inch premium faced organic clutch kit disc with an increased clamp load pressure plate, which helps it hold more power while still aiming for a silky smooth clutch pedal feel. That's a big deal for a Challenger that sees some real street miles, or maybe it's a daily driver, because you want a car to be fun in traffic and around town, not just out at the track. This is also going to have a sprung hub top disc to help dampen and quiet the initial engagement, plus a strap-driven floater plate for quiet operation, which is exactly the kind of stuff that matters when you want high-capacity clutch that still feels refined and easy to use. I will call out the fact that this does not include a flywheel, but you can go ahead and use either an OEM flat flywheel or a Ram billet flat flywheel. So this is going to be a smart option for someone who already has the right flywheel plan and wants a premium dual disc clutch built around street use with that strong holding power. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a dual disc clutch with an organic clutch disc material like we talked about and a 26 spline input design. This is built as an OEM style street and track use application. This is also going to have the increased clamp load pressure plate, the sprung hub top disc, and the strap driven floater plate like we talked about, all of which are there to improve holding power while keeping the engagement smoother and quieter than a harsher race only setup. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the $1,200 price range. For a 900 horsepower capable organic dual disc clutch kit from Ram Clutches, a name brand, that's a solid value in my opinion if your goal is strong holding power with street friendly manners instead of just chasing the cheapest clutch possible or jumping way above this to a race ready clutch that's really annoying to drive on a daily basis. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated the full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. And you should be able to have this job done in about 5 hours of your time. Now, if you aren't 100% confident in your abilities to get this one done properly, then it is a good idea to just hire a professional or take it into the shop to make sure that this install is done correctly. All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of this Ram Clutches Concept 10.5 300 Series 900 horsepower organic dual disc clutch kit with a 26 spline input for the 2008 to 2010 V8 Hemi Challenger and the late 2011 to 23 V8 Hemi Challenger as well. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.